Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by preparing all ingredients. Marinate 1 lb chicken with 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tsp cumin, 1 tsp chili powder, 1/2 tsp salt, and juice of 1 lime for at least 20 minutes to tenderize and flavor. While it marinates, soak and rinse 1 cup long-grain rice and measure 2 cups low-sodium chicken broth for cooking. Chop 1 cup onion, mince 2 cloves garlic, chop 1 cup cilantro, and slice 1 lime for garnish and added acidity when assembling the burritos. Heat a heavy skillet to medium-high and add 1 tablespoon oil. Sear the marinated chicken 4 to 6 minutes per side until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees F. Then rest 5 minutes and shred with forks. In a saucepan, bring 2 cups chicken broth, 1/2 tsp salt, and 1/2 tsp cumin to a boil. Add 1 cup rinsed rice, reduce to low, cover, and simmer 18 minutes. Then let rest covered 5 minutes. Mix shredded chicken with 1/2 cup salsa and 1/4 cup chopped cilantro for a juicy filling. Warm 4 10-inch flour tortillas in a dry skillet 15 to 30 seconds per side to make them pliable for folding. Lay each tortilla flat, layer 1/2 cup cooked rice, 3/4 cup shredded chicken mix, and 1/4 cup shredded cheese, then add toppings like 1/4 cup salsa, 2 tablespoons sour cream, 1/4 cup chopped lettuce, and sliced avocado if desired. Fold the sides over the filling and roll tightly. Place seam side down on the skillet, and grill about 1 minute per side for a golden, sealed burrito.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.